NASDAQ this week has lost its value, and we can see that the price started with this week with this strong bearish candle. It was a bearish engulfing candle, suggested further decline in value, where the price stopped at the support level. From here, the price tried to move further down. We can see it's forming a large wick and then returning back back here very close to the open price. So it was some kind of indecision candle on the market. Next day, similar scenario where the price tried to move down because of strong bearish momentum. The price could not manage that, and on a Thursday the price formed a strong bearish candle. We can see that, and on a Friday continue again losing its value. The price has reached a 19891.23 support level and bouncing back up, forming a bullish pin bar right here at the support level. Weekly time frame shows me that we have a bearish candle, and we can see it is third in a row, so it is a bearish sentiment here on the market. This is something I was expecting for the price after the previous week has closed like this as a bearish breakout going further down. The monthly shows me a bearish candle for sure, because we are 3 weeks in a row, and this month has still several weeks to go, so we will not make any conclusions, because currently the price has reached 19891.23 support level. We can see it is a very important support level. Will the price manage to go down? Well, we'll see that on the daily time frame, which shows much more clear information. But for now, what we can see here, the price has formed this strong bearish candle going further down, and it is suggesting there is strong bearish momentum. For now, I will be cautious. Will the price manage to go further down because of this strong support level, where the price in the past could not make a easily bullish breakout? So this means it is a confluence between the resistance and the support buyers and the sellers, and it will be very hard for the bears to push the price even further down. Weekly time frame shows me that we have bouncing from the support level. We can see that here, so we will see how the price starts the week next week on a Monday. I will not make any conclusions right now, because it's very hard to predict will the price manage to go further down or it will bounce back up. The daily time frame shows me currently that we have bounced price from here from the support level, and it has formed here a bullish pin bar. A bullish pin bar at the support level suggests further rise in value. So for now, because we are in the bearish momentum here, I am not so inclined to see the price going further up. So I will be very cautious, predicting that the price will continue to rise in value because of this strong bearish sentiment. So for now, we'll see how the Monday closes, because the Monday will at least show us how the price is currently behaving on the market between the buyers and the sellers. Are the sellers more than the buyers, or will the price manage to go up here because of this bullish pin bar suggesting further rise in value? So for now, I'm waiting outside of the market on the NASDAQ to see how the price will behave, and when there is some kind of an update during the week for the buyers and the sellers. For example, if there is a bullish or bearish breakout here at the support level or here at the resistance level, this will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, where they receive these updates in the week when this happens. The link will be below in the description if you would like also to join, where the only professional traders are located, and we are together targeting where the market could go. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.